Good morning. Oh, hold on. Good afternoon. Just grab my basket of coffee and such. Hope everybody's well. Hope everybody survived Storm Kieran. I was sorry for the islanders on Jersey Island. I mean, honestly, that looked. It did look like it was tornado damage. Unbelievable. And the south coast, anywhere that was hit really badly. Honestly, we were lucky on North Essex. Just really wet, a little bit windy. Nothing terrible. Oh, coffee. It's actually a Saturday, going out on a Monday. Yeah. It's been raining all since the early hours of the morning through to literally an hour ago, and then the sun came out, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'd like to go to the allotment. Hopefully, there is someone over there, but you know, it's just me and them. So yeah, just gonna have a little walk around in a minute. I did see the compost bin blown over. All my boysenberries don't look happy. Have a look. They look very limp. I don't think they're liking it. Oh, never mind. Oh well. Cheers, everybody. My favourite mug. Oh, do you know, it's really nice in the shed. I came in and it was lovely, absolutely lovely. Can't see any leaks in the roof. That's pretty good, that. I won't do any shed stuff today because it's sunny and I've got lots to do outside. Oh, and the boys, Al and the boys are coming to meet me, coming here to help me with the wood, because there's a big bonfire tomorrow. I've said it before, but we have an annual bonfire because we're not allowed to have bonfires on our own plots at any time of the year. There's only one communal bonfire on 5th of November. Because we've got residents all around us, and I think when it was that wasn't a rule. I think people will have burning stuff willy-nilly through the summer, because there is a bylaw, isn't there? I'm sure this exists for most urban areas where you can't. In the summer months, I think it's like I can't quite remember, but it's like during the day when you're more likely to have your washing out, you know. Because we are surrounded by houses. Oh, nice. The sun is shining. Let's go and have a little walkabout. I might water these today. I want to get the area ready where I'm going to put the spring cabbage. I'm not yet sure about the what was it? Brussels sprouts and purple sprout and broccoli. I'm not sure what's going to happen with them. Maybe just keep growing them in the shed and get bigger pots, you know, just kind of pot them up and then put them out if they survive in early spring under fleece. I'm not sure. I don't know. I've not done this before. It's new. Oh, yeah. I'll be going out in a minute. Right, let's just go out. Come with me. Everything's very wet and soggy. I have seen Mr. Robin, who was perched on the arch when I arrived, kind of saying hello. In fact, you might have heard his bird song because I was doing my recording of that at the very beginning. So that bird song that you can hear, that was Mr. Robin. Oh, I don't know. I did thank you, Richard Hart, for that, but it was on the audio that was all mashed up. So thank you for that. That was you told me about healing it in, and I did, and that's great because it will save them for when I get another bed sorted. Let's pick these sticks up. Need to sort these out. already. So yeah, there's lots to do. The funny thing is, right, I need the wheelbarrow, and the wheelbarrow is full of wood chip, and that's a good area to put that wood chip down where the arch is. But all this needs serious weeding really before I do that. So I think that's my job, is to, it's a bit like allotment Tetris. I'm going to sort of sort this area out, which is where the spring cabbage is going to go, so that I can put some cardboard down to empty and create a path really through there, if you can see that. I know it's got this big wire in the way, oh, that might be better. Empty the wheelbarrow, then I can put then I can put, oh my god, my brain, horse manure. Because when I start doing this compost bin, I do want to add horse manure in in layers to, you know, when I start transferring. That one's fallen over because it was fairly windy, but I haven't dug the hole for that yet. So yeah, that's what needs to be done today. So I'm gonna crack on with this area before the boys get here and help me with the wood, which will be great. Must bring that in actually. The melon, God knows, yeah, the blight's got to it, so I'll clear all of that. Yeah, it was very late as well, so that was okay. I mean, I tried. Next time I'll do it a lot earlier. Melon, I'll definitely give it another go, because that was quite fun. Right, so I'm gonna start weeding that bed that I've showed you, but it'll be on time lapse. Yeah, see you in a bit. Oh, it's hot. I'm warming up. Oh, I tell you what, it needed weeding. It really did. So I'm pretty pleased I've started. But boy, it's actually quite slow going. Yeah, right, cracking on. See you in a bit. Whew, right, I'm pretty pleased with that. There's a huge thingy right in the way, so I dug it out. I'm going to carry on with that, but I'm actually going to start putting cardboard down there. I've taken out the arch because I'm going to pierce cardboard. I'll show you. You know, as part of the path. Yeah, there. Sorry. And more cardboard there right through, because that's all. This will be wood chip. Right, yeah, let's crack on. I'm going to get more wood chip. See you in a bit. Right, I decided to sort out the compost instead of getting more wood chip. So you saw on time lapse, it's kind of layered what was in there. Look at that. I'm going to leave that, just fill that as is, use that cardboard as a base. I will put a cardboard cover on that, and then do the same thing over here. I have actually just buried that, but it's completely empty. Ready to put all that into there with a layer of what do you call it, horse manure. But the sky, I mean, look at the sun. I don't know if you can see how nice it's coming down, and it looks like it's going to rain, but we cleared most of the wood. They've left a few because that's all been done, and then yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. Thanks to Al and the boys for helping. Right, we're off now. We're going to go and see a haunted house. Apparently it's one of the most haunted places on in England. I might film it so I'll see what it looks like, you know, see what if it's any good. I'm going to stick it as an extra sort of bonus video on here, just because, yeah, it'd be quite interesting, and the detail I'll give if it works out. We've never been there before. It might be dark by the time we get there, or semi-dark, but it's meant to be truly one of the most haunted places in England. Whew. Thanks everybody for watching. Yeah, I'm catching up with emails regarding the giveaway, so that's all good. That's all going to be happening soon. The budget cooking one's 10th of November for the Kasori air fryer giveaway. 10th of November at 7 PM UK time. I've said that before, but right. Yeah, we're going to go to this place. It's near Sudbury. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Bye. Dirty hands. Bye. Leave you with a bit of nice allotment scenes.